bacteria sample and do a chlorine reading on this sample station. So the key to doing bacteria sampling is you need to sanitize your surface. So I just sanitize this station with diluted bleach, just to make sure we have a clean working area and there's no background contamination. For a couple minutes. The reason we let it run is if you think of a hose at your house, last time you used your hose and turned it off, there's going to be stagnant water sitting in that. So that water is, so this stagnant water sitting in this pipe right now is just old water. So it's not fresh water coming from the distribution system. So we're going to let it run for a minute or two, just so we're getting the fresh water from the distribution system and flushing that old water out. So after we've flushed the sample station, we're going to take a chlorine reading. And you need to rinse this out 3 times so you're not getting any background from any of the other samples that have been done in this. Make sure it's up to the line about. So right now I'm taking a blank. So this is what the machine understands as true zero. All right, so right now we're gonna add our reagent in so we can actually read the sample. Okay, so now I'm gonna read my sample. See how it's changed colors? So now this machine's gonna read and see how much chlorine might be in this particular sample tab. Okay, this is our reading that we got. And now we're gonna take our bag T sample. Alright, so I filled up my sample, passed the line, which is good for the lab, and now I'm going to put it in the cooler so it's ready to get taken to the lab. Sample. It's my chain of custody.
So first we just want to check the sample and then verify the times. And then once we've done that, we'll have someone do a second check to verify what the first person has done. Josh, could you please do a second check? So with the first batch of the day, we run a blank, which is just our sterile water. This is the color reagent that we use. It's an 18-hour. So we'll just add the reagent to the blank. And then for the sample, we'll make sure that it's homogenized. And then we want to pour it off to the 100 ml line. Add the reagent. And then once we've added the reagent, we'll place it into the water bath, and it'll be in the water bath for 7 minutes before it goes into the incubator. And that's pretty much it. We'll check it after, like I said, 18 to 22 hours. We'll look to see if it's yellow. The yellow will mean that there's total coliform. And then we will check it under the UV lamp to see if it fluoresces, and that will indicate if there's E. coli in the sample.